In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to check and understand the Odoo error log, so you can quickly identify issues and fix problems without guessing. If you're working with Odoo and something isn't loading, crashing, or behaving strangely, the error log is the first place you should look. This step-by-step guide is perfect for beginners and developers alike. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Odoo tutorials and software guides. Alright, let's get started. First, make sure you are on the Odoo home screen. If you already have Odoo open, go ahead and refresh the page to ensure everything is fully loaded. This helps rule out any temporary UI glitches and ensures you're working with the latest session data. Once the home screen is refreshed, confirm that you're logged into the correct database or environment, especially if you're using a demo or staging setup. Next, you want to open the Odoo log file. The log file is where Odoo records system activity, warnings, and most importantly, errors. Depending on your setup, this may be accessed through your server, terminal, or hosting dashboard. If you're using Odoo Online or a managed service, the logs are usually available in the admin or technical section. For local or server installations, the log file is typically defined in your Odoo configuration file, often named odoo.conf. Once you have the log file open, you'll see a continuous list of entries with timestamps, log levels, and messages. Now scroll down to the very bottom of the log file. Odoo writes new entries to the end, so the most recent issues will always appear last. Look specifically for entries marked as error or critical. These are the lines that usually explain why something failed, such as a missing module, a Python exception, a database issue, or a permissions problem. Take your time reading the error message carefully. Don't just focus on the last line. Often, the most useful information is a few lines above, where the stack trace begins. This can tell you which module caused the issue, which file was involved, and sometimes even the exact line of code that failed. Copy the error message if needed, so you can search for it or share it with your development team. Now comes the most important part, fixing the problem based on the error message. If the log mentions a missing module, make sure that module is installed and updated. If it's a database error, check your database connection and permissions. For Python or server errors, review recent code changes or custom modules that may have caused the issue. Many Odoo errors are well documented, so pasting the exact error message into a search engine can often lead you directly to a solution. After applying a fix, restart your Odoo service if required, then refresh the application and check the log file again to confirm the error is gone. This habit of checking, fixing, and rechecking logs will save you a massive amount of time and frustration when working with Odoo. And that's it. You now know how to find and read the Odoo error log and use it to diagnose and fix problems effectively. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more Odoo tips, tutorials, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.